Every day we engineer breakthrough innovation for our clients and ensure that as technology advances, humans thrive. From our origins developing safety in vehicles and aviation, we've acquired remarkable companies pioneering fiber optics, sensor development and precision photonics. Now, to accelerate our progress in the fastest growing industries, we need to focus on our collective strengths and proposition. Together, we can bring customers the assurance of scale and geographic reach. Together, we bring a broader portfolio of engineering expertise. Together, we bring a long track record of growth and financial strength. And a shared purpose, to keep people safe in critical environments, to inform innovation through sensory intelligence, to enable precision engineering at microscopic scale. We are strongest together. So we've created a shared identity to show that we are one group. Welcome to the Humanetics Group, our new holding company name. We have a brand new look for a brave new world. Our logo is inspired by waves that represent the forces our technology measures, harnesses and controls. A modern, precise typeface, colours that stand out individually and work together, and a design system that connects each company to the group. The launch of new websites will make it easier to connect with us. They are optimized to help people find us and answer their questions, and to drive conversations across social media to engage our stakeholders. By sharing infrastructure, we can invest in better systems and provide our people new opportunities to learn and build meaningful careers. Together, we will make it happen. To our clients, colleagues, and communities, we say, welcome to the Humanetics Group.